What's going on, everyone? So Caitlin gave you a little sneak peek. Not much of a sneak peek. It was just what it is. We spent the last hour or so just real quick unboxing each component, what it was, what it's about. We'll go through, edit all those videos, things like that. But I just wanted to give you a quick video on what we have, our aftermath of boxes and stuff and whatnot. We don't have everything out there just yet, but this is what we've been working on. So we have with us our Agris T100, 26 gallon, 100 liter true system. Spread system, 150 liters. These things are absolutely wild. Just digging into these things are going to be absolutely a monster, an absolute monster. So we're really excited about that. We're going to be diving in very heavy into every component. All the new upgrades, the new features, the motors, ESCs, pumps, you name it. We're going to go into everything. It's going to take us obviously a while to do that, and then we're going to have our buddies, or our buddy, Rob, is going to come in from Drop Flight. So if you don't know what Drop Flight is a swath testing tool that the NAAA uses and has certified that they use in their programs when we do Operation Safe with our manned aircraft. So I talked to Rob right when it showed up. Said, "Hey man, we're gonna need you." He said, "Yeah, we'll make something work, 100%." So we are gonna do a true swath testing, 2 nozzle, 4 nozzle, everything. That'll be coming up probably next week, maybe the week after. We're gonna be doing an open house. We want people to come see this, see it in person. Pictures, videos online that do not do it justice, and I know right now they do not do it justice. We want you to come see it. Put your hands on it, feel it. Let's see what it does. Let's check it out. Don and I will be adding the 4 nozzle kit to it and testing that. We're all high gallon work anyways. But man, I tell you, it's an absolute monster. We measured it earlier, 10.5 feet across, 10.5 feet front to back. So a perfect square when it's all opened up. Pretty sweet. This thing is just going to be an absolute riot. We did figure do a little mod to our trailer. That's just part of it. We designed our trailer for the T100, not quite taking in the fact that it's taller. So we're going to be pushing that 13.6 height with this thing was on it with the spread tank. A little too close for comfort for us. So we're going to be doing some trailer stuff this winter. We'll be going over all that, doing videos on that stuff as well. But very excited. First T100 here in Michigan. It has landed. We have it. Come check us out next Saturday, the 25th, I believe it is. But next Saturday, it's about 10 days from now, noon to 3 o'clock at our location. Come see it. If you're around, if you're close by, you want to swing in earlier than that, after that, whatever, it doesn't work out, that's fine. Give us a call. We're around. I'm around. Donovan's around. Caitlin's around. Whoever. Come check it out. See what this thing's like. This thing is a beast. So we are very excited. We're so glad we were able to. We're excited for Michigan. We're excited for you guys to see this. We're all high gallon work, so this is going to be a game changer for us. Very exciting. So have questions, reach out, 616-327-7885. Give us a call, shoot us an email, shoot us a direct message, comment on the video, whatever it takes. Ask away, and we'll start answering questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.